Kate Chopin, The Story of an Hour by Tracy Ann Garin at Marianna's High School. She was born on February 8, 1850 and died on August 22, 1904. She was widely known as one of America's essential authors. She was best known for her stories about inner lives of sensitive, daring women. Kate started writing at the age of 32. She was a short story writer and novelist. Mrs. Mallard had a weak heart. When Josephine told Louise about the sudden death of her husband, she was sad. She went to her bedroom and stayed. In her room, she looks out of the window where she could see tops of trees, blue patches of sky, and could hear people singing in the distance, and also heard countless sparrows twittering in the caves. As she looked out the window, she could sense that something from the sky was coming for her. Josephine was begging Louise to open the door, but Louise told her to go away. When the door opened, there her husband Bradley arrived unexpectedly. As he sees Josephine crying, Richard realizes that he was too late. The doctors came and told him that Mrs. Mallard died because of heart disease. The author's purpose is to inform the readers that most marriages may appear with happiness and sadness. Mrs. Mallard had a happy life with her husband, but had one thing she doesn't have, are happiness and freedom. The theme of the story would be freedom. In this story, Mrs. Mallard believes that freedom is a terrible thing because her marriage, since her husband passed away, her heart that has trouble, and her home. The symbol that I found in the story was the open window. This window was located in Mrs. Mallard's room. From this window, she could see treetops with the new spring life. She also heard distant singing by people and countless birds twittering in the caves. This open window symbolizes that there are many opportunities that she's missing out on. Thank you.